about to see the world in action, what we can be. Life with no distractions.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm sharing with you, it's basically a January stock up haul. Over the holidays, I tend to try to use everything that I have in our refrigerator, freezer, the cabinets, our deep freezer chest, etc. I try to use up what I have, and then come January, I start stocking back up again. This allows me to go in and deep clean my freezers and the refrigerator, and it also makes it so that I know I'm using up everything that we have. I'm not going to go into my freezer in a few months and find something left over from last year that has since become freezer burn or expired or anything like that. So this is what I bought from Aldi's. Just to give you a quick overview, this was $205. So I'll just start over here. I have noticed in some of my videos that sometimes I tell you the prices, sometimes I don't. But what I'm going to actually start doing is I'm going to type up all the prices and post it on my WordPress website. So I'll leave that link down in the description box below. And if you're interested on specifics of a certain product, if I miss something that you're interested in, you can go ahead and just click that link and all of the prices will be typed up for you to read. So as you see here, lots of canned goods, 55 cents per can for mild chili beans, Great Northern beans. I think that's all that we grabbed. We didn't grab any kidney this time around. And then the carrots, the sweet peas, and the green beans were 49 cents per can. So I think this here equals about $60 for 8 trays, 12 cans in each of beans and veggies to stock up on for the cabinets. I did also grab a package here, 2 pounds of Great Northern beans, and that was $1.69 for the dried beans. 4 pounds, 2, 4, 6, so 8 oranges. So that was a bit more than usual, but they're healthy. We all enjoy them, so we went ahead and we bought those. My husband went ahead and grabbed some pears and pineapple slices. I guess he's in the mood for those. Some blueberries. These were a good price. They were $1.39, I believe. Some applesauce. I went with the strawberry banana and then 2 of the unsweetened cinnamon flavor. We bought some sweet potatoes, some mushrooms. I don't always remember all the specifics, but I know that these were definitely less than 50 cents. I think these were 45 cents each. So I got 2 yellow mustard, 1 spicy brown. I was completely out of mustard, so these 2 will go right into the refrigerator. And then this one I'll just set aside until we need it. Some tomato ketchup. I should have bought 2, but we bought 1 for now. 2 ranch and 2 Italian dressings. 3 honey barbecue. These here were on sale for 2 something, and then they were buy one get one free. The date is still good. They are good until April. And we did recently get a coffee maker, and we've been enjoying making coffee at home. But I don't know, I just thought this was a good treat, and it only ended up being like $1.15 each, I believe. The salsa was $1.19. The oats, bought quite a few cans of tuna. We were completely out of this, so we're going to be stocked up for a little while there. I went ahead and I grabbed some turkey pepperoni. This is good for just like a quick snack lunch, like a snack plate. We'll do some cheese, some carrots, some turkey, maybe some grapes. I went ahead and I bought some sun-dried tomato and also spinach wraps. We love these. My husband was in the mood for the everything bagels. I actually have everything bagel seasoning and a recipe that I'm going to be trying out. I'm going to try and make some homemade everything bagels. I've made them years ago, but it's been a long time. So we'll enjoy these, and then hopefully mine will be good as well. I am in need of bread. I have none in the freezer. So I'm going to be soon making a trip to our bread bakery outlet, and then I'm also going to be baking some homemade bread. But for now, we went ahead and grabbed just 1 loaf of Italian bread. Grabbed some bananas. We always need those. The olives came down in price. They've been $1.19. This time they were 79 cents. So I grabbed a tray of them. So we'll have olives for a little while. My daughter has been wanting pretzels, and I've been forgetting, and we don't buy them too often for no reason. It's just something we don't really grab when we go grocery shopping. But I was sure to remember and grab them this time around. These ended up in the cart. These were $1.19 per package. So $2.79 per dozen. I grabbed 2 of those. For meats, I ended up just grabbing the turkey pepperoni like I showed you. I bought 2 packages of this chicken sausage. This is really good. I enjoy Aldi's Never Any line. No nitrites, no nitrates. I read that reversed, of course. Added, there's no antibiotics or hormones or anything like that. And so these are really good. Sometimes I'll slice them up to have on the side of like a serving of scrambled eggs for breakfast. We've already used these in like an egg, like a breakfast casserole. We can cook these and serve it sort of like a hot dog. I like to chop them up and throw them into pasta. You can do all sorts of things with those. So I bought 2 packs. Should have bought more, but that'll, you know, maybe 1 this week, 1 for next week. We ended up buying 2. Actually, we bought 3 packages. I have one over at the table. We're going to quickly finish slicing that up for dinner for tonight. But I bought 3 packages of boneless, skinless chicken breast. Usually each package goes for $9 to $10, but it was $1.49 per pound this time around, which made it around $7 per package. I have one for my husband to take for lunch, and then we're going to also have one with dinner with the chicken. I cannot count, you guys. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So we bought 9 in total. The varieties are sunflower, chopped salad, Southwest, and sweet kale, and they are all delicious. Let me know if you have a favorite of these. Let me know which one you enjoy the most. I grabbed a package of coleslaw, some spinach. Can't go wrong with spinach. I'm actually in the mood to do like my pecan and apple with a vinaigrette on spinach salad. Simple, nutritious, and very delicious. We grabbed 2 packages of Roma tomatoes. Tomatoes have been strangely priced recently. I've seen these go up to like $2.60 per package. This time around, they were $1 per package. They're nice and firm, so I was grateful for a good deal there on the tomatoes this week. Some iceberg lettuce. We grabbed some carrots, 2 pounds per package. These were $1.49 per package. We bought just 1 almond milk this time around. And this reminds me of Costco. It makes me think of Costco. I've been wanting to join Costco. I never have actually been into a Costco before. But, you know, I've seen Costco on videos. I know some friends and family who have memberships. And I really am thinking about joining. So they have almond milk. I believe it's a 12-pack of almond milk for $14 something, which is a great deal. So lately, whenever I see almond milk, it makes me think about Costco. Let me know if you have a Costco membership. Would you recommend my family joining, knowing the way we shop and stock up and look for discounts and that sort of thing? Do you think Costco, is it really worth it? So I'm in the mood to make a lasagna to have like after church for next week, and then I'll put 1 into the freezer. So just preparing for that, I went ahead and I bought this large 2-pound bag of mozzarella. I'll also mix in probably some of this cheddar for the lasagna. So I bought some mild cheddar and then taco style as well. We pulled $10 cash back. So you can see here's $205.55. So I think we did really good. I'm excited to have these canned goods. We were completely out. I like to stock up on canned goods for multiple reasons. It's good just to prep a little bit of food to have for emergencies, weather related, and well, any type of emergencies really. Most of these are good for about 2 years. So if it comes to the time where it's like, hey, we have all these carrots we didn't finish eating, we can go ahead and donate them to the local food pantry or homeless shelter. And, you know, I will not let any of this go to waste. So we will use these. And we were empty, you guys. So this isn't like a big stock up. This is just an example of how I stock up. A lot of this is going to be gone in a week or 2. Like the fresh salads, the meats, the bread, the wraps, all of the produce. But I stocked up a little by, you know, getting the extra condiments. So 1 of each of these will go into the fridge. And we'll have 2 extra barbecue, 1 ranch, 1 Italian, 1 mustard. And then we'll have a little bit extra tuna this is really the stock up. So thank you for joining me. I hope you liked seeing what I bought at Aldi's. Let me know if you like this style video, how I'm putting the prices on my WordPress website. Let me know how you're doing with your grocery budget so far in this new year. And I will see you in my next video. Bye everyone.